Hello Leo. So this is a design for registration page, and here you have questionnaire which you have to implement via JavaScripting. Now let's see. So here we have some issues. If all these are no, then all are collapsed. Whatever is set to yes must be expanded. So here is one issue related with the design. This is a design mistake. So users cannot select yes on here, here, and here. User can select yes, and this will be auto set to no, and these two blocks will be collapsed. So here is how that works. On this website, you have a similar registration form. You see how it's collapsing and expanding. Here is something similar. Not here, but no, yes, yes. You see how it's changing. So, depending on the answers which customers selects here and which provides, you are going to set dummy customer groups. So here, if this is a classic home website, and on the example I will show you what we have done here. So if answer here is yes, then customer will get retail group. If answer is here yes, customer will get designer group. If both are no, customer will get general group. So now I will set here yes, furniture, textile, rugs, accessories, and yes here. No. So now when I submit this customer registration, I will get retailer customer group. So now after registration, customer will not be able immediately to log in on the front end. So customer now has to wait that administrator of website activates the account. So now I will check. Now let's check here. So here is the customer which I created now on the front end. So as you see, I got retailer registration group. So all this data must be, whatever customer supplies here, whatever enters here, must be saved in database. So here on the addresses tab, you can find first name, last name, company name, street address, city, country, phone number, telephone number. Here on account information, you can see what user selected here in the questionnaire. Are you retailer group? That is a customer group which he get retailer group. So here you can see 3 dummy groups: general, retailer, and designer. So now let's see. Before activation, before is activated set to yes, we are using NetsBiter customer activation extension for this activation. So all the answers on the front end, you can see it here. So everything is saved in the database. So I selected this one. How many stores? It has to be here. Here it is, 1. I clicked in all 4 checkboxes. So here you have a multi-select attribute, furniture. All our options are selected. Do you offer interior designer? It was set to yes. So you see it is yes attribute. So before administrator of website activates the user, he has to change group to real group. So on Woodbridge, there are going to be 2 groups: wholesale group and dealer group. For both groups, when I import products data, I will create group prices like this, and I will import dealer prices and wholesale prices. MSRP, manufacturer suggested retail price, will be imported as default price, also as manufacturer suggested retail price. Now I will open Woodbridge database file, and let me show you. So this is a database file, and here we have data for web. And here we have only one group, only one price, wholesale price. Also we have suggested retail price, so this is going to be MSRP price, also a default price, and this will be a wholesale price group. So for dealers I have to ask client to provide dealer group. So just make sure that you this is not design is not good. Everything is expanded on the registration form. User cannot select yes for these three options. Can select yes for one. Here out will be no. So now let's see. So you can check on Nuevo, on Nurison, or on Classic Home how it is implemented on the front end. I showed you what we are doing with the on the back end. All the data must be transferred and must be saved there. Also, those data must be sent to administrator of website via email. Let me check, did I received? So in this email, this is email which is NetSparter is sending to administrator of website. This is the email which is sent to, this is welcome email template. In welcome email template you're going to set email and password. In activation email template you cannot set the email and password, so in welcome email you have to set it. So now when I activate user, I have to change a group to wholesale, for example, and now I will is activated, yes. Now after administrator does this, an email will be sent to customer, and this is that email, this is activation email. So that's it related with the customers, customer registration form and customer groups. Now I'm going to show you what you can expect for the listing pages, and let's see firstly the menu here. So when menu is expanded, come on, where is that page? So here you can see products. So this is products. So these are categories, and room type. That's also those are also, so products and room types are categories. And here let me check on which page we have listing page expanded. So here you can see type and room types. So type and room type are actually categories, but I'm not absolutely sure. I have to check. When I import products data, we don't have those data in the database file. So here we have category column, so that's a products. For products, also we have material, but let me show you, there are too many options, so this could be an issue with too many options, so this could not be a good filterable attribute, but we are going to use it, and then client will update the admin panel. So for type, you're going to display products categories as on design. For room type you have nothing to show, so just enter a couple dummy categories, for example dining room, bedroom, then I don't know, kitchen. For material, create a couple material 1, material 2, material 3 options and display them here. So create couple dummy products with all those data which you see on detail page. So I think that this on detail page you can see data for one product. That's actually it's not, these are I think real data, but I'm not absolutely sure. So in 2 weeks I'm going to import products data, so you can work on detail page and on listing pages. For start, you can work as I explained a minute ago. So that's it.